Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia T20 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to reach the settings and now let's enter the display. As you can see, we have to tap on advanced in order to open much more settings, and right under the wallpaper we've got the screen timeout, so let's tap. And as you can see here we've got plenty of options to choose from, so we can set either 15 or 30 seconds or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Right now we've got 5 minutes applied. What's more, at the very top of the list we've got the option never, which means that after picking it your device will never black out. So it's of course up to you which option you'd like to use. I will pick, for example, 10 minutes. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to set. And as you can see, you do not have to enter the screen timeout because it is notified right here that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Nokia T20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.